Welcome to Thar's Garage. In this video, I'll be unboxing the ProtekRC 170 SBL. So let's get started. This is a nice servo from ProTek, usually used for 8-scale vehicles. I have the 170 TBL, which is the torque version. This is the speed version. So let's see what we get in the box. So it comes wrapped in plastic, and then it's also sealed using some tape on both ends. Okay, nicely packaged in some cut foam. And what I like about these servos is that it's not wired directly. So you can see nice aluminum casing. It's got milled slots to help cool it. This is standard size servo. And in the bottom, you get some plastic hardware. You get a shorter wire lead along with some plastic servo horns and grommets. So you get an assortment of plastic servo horns, you get some grommets and things like that. And you also get some screws and so on. So there's your other grommets. So interesting that it comes with all this stuff. Usually for a car, you probably don't need all this. You're probably going to end up using an aluminum one if you're going to spend this much money to pick one up. So some specs about this. So the operating range is 4.8 to 7.4 volts, and I think it can go up to 8.4 volts as well, according to the packaging. And the operating speed at 6 volts is 0.09 at 60 degrees seconds. And for 7.4 volts, it's 0.08 for 60 degrees seconds. So the static holding torque at 6 volts is 395 ounce-inches. And for 7.4 volts, it's 440 ounce-inches. The dynamic peak torque is, for 6 volts, is 458 ounce-inches. And for 7.4 volts, it's 535 ounce-inches. So it weighs the same as the 170 TBL. The biggest difference is the speed and the torque. So for the 170 TBL at 6 volts, instead of it being 0.09 per 60 degree seconds, it's 0.13 per 60 degree seconds. So this one is considerably quicker. I think it'll be noticeable. At 7.4 volts, this is 0.08. And for the TBL, it's 0.11. So 0.03 per 60 degree seconds. And then the torque values are also a big difference. The dynamic torque at 6 volts for this was 458. For the TBL, it's 600 ounce-inches. For 7.4 volts, this is 535 ounce-inches, and the TBL is 650 ounce-inches. It has a 25 tooth output shaft, and it weighs 72 grams. So awesome servo. I'd highly recommend it. I have a 170 TBL on my 8-scale buggy. That's something I would recommend on an 8-scale off-road car. This would be great for a 8-scale on-road car. So definitely check it out. Check out the links below where I'll put this up so you can check out any more details. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.